Devon Decker makes his way to class at Davis Technical College in Utah.
If we put on a mold, it can just easily come off from the resin.
He's studying composite materials technology.
Because it gives it the strength for your composite part.
Devon's a student at Clearfield Job Corps, and a partnership between the Job Corps Center and college makes it possible for Devon to advance in his new career. Wes Hobbs is Devon's instructor.
He's just been a wonderful student since he's gotten here. He learned all the skills.
But there's much more. Devon's workplace skills learned at Clearfield Job Corps have given him the edge.
Somebody you want to work with, somebody you'd like to be around on a daily basis. And I think that's what's really made him stand out. And that's why Lockheed Martin's wanting him so bad.
That's right. Global technologies company Lockheed Martin came knocking on Devon's door after they toured Davis Technical College.
To continuously push the boundaries of technology, a commitment embodied for 100 years by the men and women of Lockheed Martin.
I told him that he was a rock star. I contacted the guy over the facility that came out here and said, you really need to check this guy out.
So Lockheed Martin flew Devon to Orlando, Florida for an interview.
Going to the center, the Lockheed Martin Center, it was just like a dream come true.
Especially, Devon says, for a young man facing serious challenges growing up in a rough neighborhood in East Denver, Colorado. Soon after the interview, Lockheed Martin offered him a full-time job with a $6,500 signing bonus.
I just didn't believe it because where I'm coming from, like I told you, it's unheard of for a kid from the east side.
He'll be working at a professional job, making really good money, but he can also continue his education too, and it won't have to cost him anything.
Lockheed Martin will pay for Devon to get a degree in engineering.
Hi, my name is Devon Decker.
Devon was a finalist in the college's Student of the Year competition. He also spoke at the college's graduation and was even featured on their annual report.
This would have never happened if it wasn't for Job Corps.
Job Corps has been the foundation for everything. My mom's very proud. She tells me every day now.